it was mentioned before, someone that was your sponsor, I think, mentioned this. So everyone knows about an owner's title policy, right? Well, there is a lender's specific title policy as well. And it's typically very, very small cost. I want to say like a couple $100 usually in a transaction. And that just guarantees that the lien's in first position because that's what you're trying to be. And that will pass from future lender to future lender on the same note as well. Setting up the escrow from the beginning is a good idea. Having the buyer pay a full year's premium up front. So that way, when there's escrowing for the next month, they're building up for the next premium that's coming due in 11 months, 12 months. Setting up the loan servicing documents from the beginning, right there at closing. If you have a servicer in mind, typically people will just use one servicer when they're originating loans, just because it's easier to have a process set up. And you can have all the documents ready for the borrower to fill out, so the loan is set up with a servicer from day one, and you don't have to be responsible for collecting the payments or sending out the 1098 INT forms to them at the end of the year and managing the proper deduction of principal and collecting escrow. That's what the loan servicer does, and they're licensed in the state that you're in. They have disclosures at closing that you need to disclose. Certain states have certain disclosures that have to be done, and so you want to make sure you're using the proper title company or attorney closing agent. You'd be surprised how many times I've seen people close loans, Felipe, that don't use a title company, and they just willy-nilly go through the deal. And they said, oh, when I bought the thing, I got title insurance. And just like, that's just not the right way to do it. You never know what happens by the time you bought it, by the time you sold it. Final settlement statement. That gives you a great rundown of the debits and credits for both sides of both parties. So that's bank grade seller financing. Structure it like a bank so buyers pay a premium.